Open the battery compartment. Use a T20 bit to remove the 6 screws securing the rear cover. Remove the zip tie and unplug the black connector to the motor. Unplug the 3 yellow connectors to the main PCBA, the self-propelled PCBA, and the fuse. Remove the fuse. Unplug the 2 black connectors to the main PCBA. Unplug the 3 connectors to the self-propelled motor, the handle position switch, and the handle assembly. Use a T20 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the main PCBA. Remove the main PCBA and self-propelled PCBA. Carefully remove the white compound on the internal wire terminal. Unplug the connectors to separate the self-propelled PCBA from the main PCBA. Replace it with a new main PCBA and plug in the connectors. Place the PCBAs in the power unit housing. Connect the 3 wires to the self-propelled motor, the handle position switch, and the handle assembly. Connect the 2 black wires to the main PCBA and route all the wires in the wire traps. Plug the 3 yellow connectors to the main PCBA, the self-propelled PCBA, and the fuse. Tighten the 2 screws to secure the main PCBA. Plug the black connector to the motor and secure with a zip tie. Unplug the yellow connector to the self-propelled motor. Use a T20 bit to remove the 6 screws securing the self-propel unit. Use a 10 mm socket to remove the nut securing the joint. Remove the self-propel unit. Use a T20 and a PH1 bit to remove the 6 screws securing the motor cover. Use a T20 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the motor. Replace it with a new motor and tighten with the 2 screws. Tighten the motor cover with the 6 screws. Install the self-propel unit and secure the joint. Tighten the joint with the 6 screws. Plug in the yellow connector and route all the wires in the wire traps. Tighten the rear cover with 6 screws. Always use Ego genuine parts.